Aynen.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, right now, sir, are you in front of your computer?
Yeah, I'm in front of my computer.
Yeah, then start your computer.
Yeah, it is started.
Yeah, then what can you see in your computer screen?
I can see the desktop.
Yeah, and it is your Windows computer, right?
Yes, the Windows computer.
Yeah, then look at your keyboard, okay?
Yes.
Extreme down corner, left hand side, can you see CTRL button, control button?
Yes.
Yeah. Then just right next, which button can you see? Can you see Windows logo button?
Yeah, the Windows button.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, sir, just hold on. I'll transfer this call my senior. He will guide you better than me, okay? Just hold on. Windows button.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, hi, your call has been transferred to me, okay? I'm the senior on the floor. So your
Okay.
computer is on right now?
Yes.
Okay, and did you understand that why Microsoft calling you?
Yeah, they said there was some problem with my computer.
Yes, exactly. There is some infections which you have in your computer. That is a Microsoft calling you.
Yeah,
So
okay.
what I'll do, I'm just going to guide you the steps so that you can see this report which we are receiving from your computer. Then you can understand the reason of this call.
Yeah,
So you tell me, what can you see in your computer screen?
I can see my desktop.
Desktop. Okay, so do one thing. Look at your computer keyboard, okay?
Yeah.
Look at your keyboard, left-hand side, extreme down corner. Do you see the control button?
Yes.
CTRL.
Yeah, I can see.
And just beside that control button, which button do you see?
The Windows button.
Yeah, exactly. So what you need to do, you need to press only two buttons together same time.
Yeah.
The Windows button and alphabet R, both together same time.
Okay. Yeah,
Windows and R together. Now what
Yeah.
can you see?
I have the run window.
Yeah, exactly. Now in the run window, you have to write event. E-V-E-N-T. Event.
EVNT. Yeah.
E-V, then again E, then N, then T. Event.
Yeah. So,
Okay?
yeah, I've done it.
Yeah, after T, you write V from Victoria.
Yeah.
V. Then W from Whiskey or William.
Yeah.
Then R from Romeo.
Yeah.
Now you tell me from the beginning what you have written. Spell it.
EVENT VMGR something.
VWR, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Do you want me
Okay,
to
now you press enter.
enter? Yeah.
Enter. Yeah. And if you don't mind, sir, can I know how old are you? Because your sound is very young to me. I did not get your age properly.
I am 26.
Okay, but you're not sounding like 26.
Well,
That is I'm asking.
yeah.
Because I'm not authorized to talk with below 25. That is the reason. Now, what can you see when you press enter?
I can see a window called Event Viewer.
Yes, and your computer is in English, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So do one thing. You look at the left-hand side of this window. Do you see Event Viewer Local? Do you see that option?
Yes.
And just below that Event Viewer Local, which option you can see? Tell me.
I can see custom views, Windows logs.
Yes. Click on Custom View. Click on Custom View.
Yeah.
When you click on Custom View, then you receive a new option just below that. You see Administrative Event.
Yeah.
Do you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah, you need to double click on that Administrative Event.
Oh, there are some errors there.
Yes. Now you understand that why Microsoft calling you? It's in your computer that we are receiving lot of error and warning report from your computer. That is why Microsoft calling you. So
Yeah.
you tell me, you have any idea or sort of knowledge that why Microsoft calling you this much of why Microsoft receiving this much of error and warning report from your computer, or you don't have any idea?
No, I don't know. Maybe there is some virus or something.
No, it is not a virus problem. It is not about any virus program, okay?
Okay.
It is absolutely not for the virus. It's another thing which you have in your computer. That is why you are calling. I make you understand everything. So first of all, you tell me what are the things you are doing in this computer normally. Like from this.
I'm just doing.
Okay, I'm asking you.
And bank stuff.
Bank stuffs, okay.
Yeah. So
And from you, okay. And from this computer, do you do mailing, sending, receiving mail? You do that?
Yeah, some mail.
Okay. And are you a student yourself or are you work somewhere?
I'm working.
You are working. Okay, no problem. And from this computer, you do internet shopping by help of your Visa, Master, credit card. You also do that?
Yeah, sometimes.
Sometimes. Okay, and it is a very important thing that I'm going to ask you that from this computer, regular basis, you play online game, only online game, not installing game.
Not so many games on this one.
Not so many games. Okay. So what I'll do, sir, without wasting any time, I'm just going to guide you that how you can solve the problem where we can get things that why it is happening, right?
Yeah.
So do one thing, you need to close that event viewer window. You close that.
Yeah. Close.
Now do one thing, again you press Windows button and alphabet R together same time.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Now anything is written over there, over that event VWR, it's written.
Mm-hmm.
So you delete that, event VWR. Delete it, make it empty.
Yeah, I've deleted it.
Now you write there www, 3 times W.
www.
Then put a point.
Yeah.
Then you write Microsoft. Yeah, after Microsoft, don't give any space. It is together. Refund.
Yeah.
REFUND. Refund.
Refund.
Yeah, then put a point.
Yeah.
Then com.
Then
COM. Com.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Now you press enter.
Enter.
Click on OK.
Yeah. Now it's opening a website.
Yes, it's from Microsoft. Do you see?
Yeah.
Okay, now what can you see over here?
I can see the Microsoft logo.
Yes, exactly. Now I'm going to give you, the support way that you will be connected to the Windows server so you can find out the problem. Now look on the top of this page. Do you see any option like remote support? You see that?
Yes, remote support.
Yeah, you click on that. Click on that.
Yeah.
When you click on that, then you receive two options. You see TeamViewer and Supremo. Do you see that?
Yes.
Yeah, you need to click on Supremo download. Then it's creating the complaint ID number, session ID number for your computer.
Okay. Do you want me to run
the
the file?
Yeah, run. Yeah, execute that file. Now you're getting the options like welcome to Supremo. Do you see that?
Yeah, it is still downloading.
Still download. Okay. When it is completed, you need to tap or double click on that, double tap on it, so it will be open.
Yeah.
All right. And how old is this computer, sir, according to you?
1.5 years, maybe.
1.5 year old. Okay, no problem. Now what can you see? It's still downloading or it's completed?
It is completed. It is asking me, do you want to allow the following program to make changes to this computer?
Yes. Click on ja or yes.
Yes.
Okay, now we see the option like welcome to Supremo. Do you see that option?
Yeah.
Welcome to Supremo. Yeah, and don't give anything. You normally click on accept.
Yeah. So
click on accept.
I have Supremo allow control of computer.
Yes, exactly. Now you see your ID number is generating. Do you see that?
Yes.
Your ID.
Yes.
You read that ID. Read it.
571.
Yeah. Then
550.
Then
088.
Okay, and below 4-digit number you read it.
1673.
1673, right?
1673. Yeah.
73. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'm just trying to connect your computer to Windows Server so it can help in you regarding this matter. Let me check it out. Let me verify that.
Yeah.
1673. Now, you are successfully connected to Windows Server. Now I'm going to show the problem.
Yeah.
I'm going to show the problem and you have to understand everything when I explain you Okay, now moment.
Yeah, I will try to understand.
Yeah, okay, thank you for that. Now I click on run. And how many computers do you have apart from this computer?
I have one more. But
You have one more. And this is also Windows, right? This is also Windows?
yes, but I don't have it here
Okay,
with
now
me.
okay, no problem. Give me a moment, okay? I'm generating the team viewer first of all. Now a moment. Now I'm creating this thing 773-863-2507. Okay, now moment, I minimize that. Okay. Now, what I'll do, I'm just creating the session ID by the team viewer, okay? Help of this team viewer, then I'm going to show the problem. So at the meantime, do one thing. You click on the address bar and make this address bar empty first of all. Make this address bar empty. Okay, now moment.
Like that?
Don't do anything. I'm telling you. Now what I'll do, at the very beginning, I'm going to show you that from where you are calling in and how we are going to help you out, okay?
Yep.
And I'm showing you that. Now look here, I'm showing you that support.microsoft.com/. Hello?
Hello.
Yes. Now you see, you read this highlighted line. Okay, you read this highlighted line so you could understand that from where you are calling and how we are going to help you out, okay?
Yeah.
Now read this highlighted line.
Okay.
Read it.
Så med fjernere fra Microsoft kan en kundestøttemedarbeider fra Microsoft sitte i et helt annet sted og se dataskjermen din og jobbe med datamaskinen via en sikker tilkobling.
You understand?
Yeah.
It's saying
So
that
you can-
Microsoft
you
gives
can
it to you. Yeah.
remote
Yeah, it is a
control by
remote
computer.
support. Remote support from the technical
Yeah.
department of
Yeah.
Windows to view your computer from the another location to work on your computer over a secure way, right?
Yeah.
Now, moment. Yeah. Now I'm going to show the problem. I'm going to find out what is the problem you have in your computer. Okay. Now look here. I minimize this thing first of all. Okay. Minimize it also. Now I opening the this window before EVENTVWR. Right. Now look here. These are the reports which we are receiving from your computer. That is why we are calling you. So you tell me, sir, you have any idea or knowledge that why we are receiving this kind of error and warning from your computer, or you don't have any idea?
I don't know.
You don't know.
No.
Why we are receiving this error and warning? Because there is some problem in your computer, and as you don't have any idea, so what I'll do, I'm just going to give you a technical code in this computer. Give me a moment, okay? Now I make it filter. Now here we can get to see that exactly how much error and warning we are receiving from your computer, okay?
Yeah.
Now, we are receiving this 101 number of warning and error from your computer, right? And it's simply indicating that there is some problem in your computer, right? So as you have problem in your computer, sir, what I'll do, I'm just going to give you a technical code in this computer, so how long we are talking with you, so we can protect your computer from the hackers, from anybody who can try to hack your computer or do some illegal work on your computer, right?
Okay.
So we are going to give you a technical code in this computer. And what is that code? I'm telling you, sir, it's a startup key. Whenever you try to restart that computer, every different time it will asking for a different password, right? So don't do anything. If you try to shut down the computer, I'm telling you.
Yeah.
It is a account database startup key was changed. Do you see that? That means your
So
starting
secure now,
password of Yes, we are giving you this password for your safety and security, that by help of this password, nobody can interrupt in this conversation. How long we are talking with you, okay?
Okay.
After solving the problem, we can take this password from your computer so you can access on your computer as it is like before, okay?
Yeah. Okay.
So at the meantime, don't do anything. Now, I'm going to show you an important thing that you will be shocked about that, okay? Here you look.
Yeah. So is this more?
It is a surprise for you. Yeah, it is for surprise for you. Now, here you can get to see that some of the application is stopped here. You see that?
Mm.
You checked it. You see?
Yeah, they are from Microsoft.
Yes, it is provided to you by the Microsoft Corporation at getting stopped. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Why it is not stopped? You are a sensible person, so you have to understand that you have to running this all of the application in your computer at the same time, right?
Yeah.
But it's not running. Why? Because you have this much of warning error thing on your computer.
Yeah.
Okay?
That's
And
not
this
good.
program are not a virus. You have to understand very nicely and clearly that this is the program which you have in your computer. It's not a virus. It's a malfunctioning program which is manufactured by the hackers in order to hack the computer, right?
Okay.
If you have this type of wrong thing in your computer, then easily hacker can attack your computer. Then they can misuse your IP address. They can misuse your computer for the illegal works, right?
Yeah. What can we
So
do?
don't
to stop
do
this then?
anything. So first of all, we need to find out that why it is happening in your computer. First of all, we need to understand that why it is happening. Now, I'm opening a notepad, so you tell me what are the things you are doing in this computer in the detail, so I can give you the security for that, okay?
Yeah.
Hold on. Now, I write it down very nicely here. That is your personal computer, right?
Yeah.
It's a personal computer. So you tell me from this computer you do Facebook,
Yeah, and some mail.
some mailing.
Yeah.
Okay, which are the mail you have in your computer, like Outlook account, Gmail account?
I have
Which are the mail account here?
Hotmail.
Hotmail, okay. Hotmail. Okay, from this computer you do internet banking, right?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay, which are the bank you are using? Like we have media partner like DNB, Nordea,
Yeah.
Park
DNB.
Bank,
DNB.
DNB, okay. And from this computer you do internet shopping by help of your Visa or MasterCard, right?
Yeah.
By help of the Visa or Master?
Yeah.
So I can write
I
it.
have both.
Both, okay. No problem. You are using Visa, MasterCard. Okay, and from this computer you play online games
Yeah. Sometimes.
sometimes. Okay, and from this computer you watching YouTube for the movies
Yeah. Sometimes.
sometimes. So these are the things you are doing in your computer, right?
Yeah.
So what I'll do, sir, I just going to check it out that how old is this computer. As you told me that it is your 1.5 years old computer. That is 16 months computer, right?
Yeah.
I need to check that because you can tell me wrong because you are a human being. It's a natural thing. So you need to check it out by your computer. How old this computer? All right. Now where I'm going to check it out here. Now, you look on your computer. It is your from 2014. It's a 2 years old computer, right?
Yeah.
It is perfectly 2 years old computer. So I write it down here. It is your 2 years old computer. Okay?
Mm.
2 years old computer. Now, what I'll do, I'm just write it down one thing that what is the program you have in your computer and why it is coming up. Now, you did here. Generally, sir, Microsoft computer never downloaded this type of hacking program from the internet. You understand? Generally, Windows computer never downloaded this type of hidden infections from the internet.
Okay.
If there is some security matter in your computer, if there is some security problem in your computer, that time only it's possible that your computer downloaded this type of file from the internet. Okay?
Mm.
So we need to find out that what are the securities not running in your computer, and then we can solve the problem. So to find out this absence of the security matter, we need to scan your computer with a two-way, right? First of all, we need to verify your computer, and second thing is that we need to scan your computer. By help of this verification and scan, we can get to know that what is the problem you have in your computer. Okay? You understand?
Yep. How do we do
Okay,
that?
now what I'll do, first of all, I make you understand how the verify will work in your computer. Now, when I put a verify in your computer, when I check the verify of your computer, it is coming up with the two results. If the says verification is on, that means you don't have any problem in your computer. Your computer is okay. All right?
Yep.
You understand?
Yes.
And if your computer is saying that verification is off, that means your computer is not okay. There is some problem in your computer. It's not okay.
Mm.
All right?
Yep.
Now I put the verify in your computer. By help of the verify, I can get to know what is the problem you have in your computer. Now, look here. That is your name,
Yep.
Norden.
Yep.
Okay, Nordman. So now, under your name, I'm going to check out the verification of this computer. But if your computer is saying that verify is will open or off, that means you have problem in your computer. Then we need to scan your computer. Okay.
Yep. Yep.
Now you look here. What does it saying when I put verify?
It says
Check
oh,
here.
that's not good then.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. That means you have problem in your computer, as I told you before, right? So you need to do a scan in your computer. By help of this scan, I can get to know what is the problem you have in your computer.
Yeah.
So regarding doing the scan, we need to make empty this computer. So you tell me, sir, you have any support, external support for this computer, external hard drive backup? You have that?
No.
No. And you right now you have any important thing in your computer?
Not so many things, but
Not
I
many
have most
things.
of my things
Yeah.
on web stuff.
Sorry?
I have most of my things on like OneDrive and things on the web.
On the web. Okay, no problem. Give me a moment. So do one thing, sir. We need to scan all of these things in front of you, okay?
Yeah.
We need to scan all of these things in your computer. Where is the OneDrive? Here is not installed here, right?
No, I only use the website.
Yeah, you only use the website. So you
But
just do one thing.
I have some documents here on the website.
Yeah. Okay,
These
okay. We
are
don't
the
have any
main
concern with the
documents.
document. Do one thing. You open your OneDrive, okay? You open your OneDrive. So you can check all of these things together, because if you remove this file, if you remove some file to your OneDrive before, so there is some infections also. So you put your OneDrive here. Open your OneDrive.
These files are the ones that I
No,
have
no,
on
no.
OneDrive.
OneDrive, yeah. Open your OneDrive. Where is your OneDrive?
It's not
You log in
all
first
on the
in the
computer. These are the files I have on the computer.
These are the files you have in your computer. Okay, no problem. Give me a moment.
Yeah.
I put a OneDrive, okay? I put a OneDrive in your computer, first of all. So you can check all of these things together. You understand my concern? Because you need to scan all of these things in your computer. Now, give me a moment.
Yeah.
I'm helping you with 2 methods. Give me a moment.
Yeah.
And you have any Microsoft account, right?
Yeah, I have, but I'm not sure about the password though.
You don't have... Okay, no problem. I'm helping you. How you got logging here? No problem. I'm helping you, okay? Moment. I'm here to help you out. A moment. Now it is running, right? Click on run.
Yeah.
Now click on jar. Now it's installed, okay? Don't have to be worried. We are helping you regarding this, all of these things. And do you have a mobile phone? Which mobile you have? Like Android or it's a Windows?
It's Android.
Android, okay, no problem. Now I click on personal. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, I click on personal. I click on personal or school.
I think it's personal.
Personal, okay, but it's not on here. Okay, first of all, I work in
But
school.
the files on OneDrive are not on the computer. I only have the files that you
Oh.
have. I like to put them all on the desktop.
Okay, so I put these things on the desktop, then I'm going to check it out, all of these things in front of you, okay?
Yep.
So that is your, here you put it, your things, okay? Here you logging. Here you logging by yourself.
Oh, I forgot that thing.
Okay, yeah. Do it.
It's saying that it's not correct.
Not correct. Which mail account do you have for the OneDrive?
This one.
This one. But it says that it's not valid.
Yeah, I don't know why.
Microsoft OneDrive is not activated. Okay, moment. I just checked it out. Okay, here. Give me a moment, okay?
Yep.
You checked it out here. Here you put down your email address. How to make? Here you checked it out. It again says wrong. Okay, no problem. We will find out these things later, okay? Now, moment.
Yep. I think
You
it's best
find
if we just focus on fixing the computer. The OneDrive we can
Okay, no
fix
problem.
later maybe.
Okay, no problem. No problem.
I
Now
don't
you
want
see the
my
verify
computer
is off.
to be broken.
Okay, now you know. Okay, you see the verify is off, right?
Yeah.
Now what I'll do, I'm going to check it out this computer by a scan. By help of this scan, we can get to know the what is the problem you have in your computer, what is the problem is going
Yeah.
on. Now,
Yeah.
I put a code, instruction here to do the scan here. And by help of this scan, we can get to know what is the problem you have, okay? After stopping the scan, we can get to know what is the problem you have in your computer exactly.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, moment. And now we get a notification that there is some problem in your license also.
Okay.
Okay, now I'm telling you, okay, give me a moment. I'm talking about, it is your 2 years old computer. So I'm just talking about that it is a 2 years old computer. So in between 2 years, have you ever updated or validated the Microsoft legal license for this computer? Microsoft legal security license. Have you ever updated that for this computer?
I don't know what that is.
I'm telling you, sir, it's a very mandatory thing for every computer. As I told you when I checked the verify that if there is some security matter on your computer, that is your computer facing this problem, right?
So
it is your mother's, it is your mother's security for that computer. If your this security is not activated or not valid in your computer, that means all of the security, all of the antivirus are not working anymore, and that is why your computer software part is not running. It is will open or stop, and that is why your computer creating this problem, right?
Yeah.
So we need to check this
what
out.
Can we fix it then?
Sorry?
How can we fix it?
Okay, if your license is not valid, then you have to update the license. After updating the license, your computer will be secure by the Microsoft Corporation, right?
Yeah.
If you have any problem in your future, that will be solved by the Microsoft, and it is very mandatory thing. I'm telling you, sir. When I check the license in front of you, if your computer saying if we found that license is valid, then you don't have any problem. We are solving the problem. We are going to give you your computer password, everything as it is like before, so you can use this computer in a legal way, in a proper way, right?
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
when I check the license, if we see that license is not valid, then you will be penalized, because running a computer without Microsoft Legal Security license is illegal, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
I give you example so you could understand, sir, that if you drive a car in a road, that time you have to carry a license, right?
Yeah, of course. Of course.
For driving. Yeah. So same thing for the Microsoft Corporation. If you're running a computer on the online, so you have to have a valid Microsoft legal license for that, right?
Yeah.
If Microsoft Corporation caught your computer without license, you are being penalized, right? They are not listening to you that you're not aware about that, don't everything. You will be penalized for that. Now, if we caught your computer without a license, and I just want to know one thing, that have you known about that? Have you heard about that you have to have a valid license for that or not?
Yeah.
Have you ever noticed?
I think there is a license
You don't know
when
about
I
that.
bought the computer.
Yeah, when you got the computer, that time also you have this license.
Yes.
Otherwise, Microsoft not being allowed.
Yes.
Okay? But now, if your computer license got expired from this computer, then and then you have to update the license. Okay? Because without license, if you're running any computer, it's a illegal way. Okay? And we are not permit you to do any illegal thing on your computer. And I'm telling you, at the before time, the license is not mandatory, but today, increasing number of cybercriminal activity, the license is very mandatory in the European countries, as well as in the USA country, right? Okay? So you have to have a valid license. If your license is not valid, you have to update the license right now. If you don't want to update the license, what will be happening? Your computer will be permanently blocked by the Microsoft. And in this computer, have you ever used your OneDrive function in your computer? That will be deleted permanently by the Microsoft Corporation. And your every activity, like your Facebook account, your mail account, your banking, your Visa, MasterCard, that will be blocked by the Microsoft, because that's all are the illegal. Okay?
Yeah.
These all are the illegal if you don't have the license. Now, we're going to check out the license. The license is very mandatory. If you don't have the license, you won't need to update the license, okay? Now, you give me a moment. Now, you hold on, okay?
Yep.
I check the license here, certificate manager. Now, click on certificate here. Now, click on the Microsoft authentication certificate and click on here. And it checks the license status, certificate status. You check that.
So it says
It's valid or not?
expired.
Yes. Yes. Now you understand that why your computer facing this much a problem, because the license of your computer is not valid. It gets expired on your computer. That is why your computer facing this problem, right?
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah. I
Now
understand.
what I'll do, don't need to be worried. So you tell me, you want to update the license, or shall it going to block this computer and be penalized? What you want?
Well, if
You want-
I want to use the computer, I need to update the license. So I want
Yes.
to use the computer.
So you hold on.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to use this computer, so you hold for a moment. I'm transferring the call to the accounts department. They'll explain how much it will cost you up to update the license, okay?
Okay.
One moment. Hello?
Hello?
Now listen to me, sir. Now, I will right now your call is transferred to the account manager of the Microsoft. My name is Albert Roger. How are you doing today, sir? How are you, sir? How are you?
I'm good. I'm good.
You are good, that's right. Now, trying to understand why the license is important on your computer. First of all, sir, running a computer without the license, that is illegal offense under Section 32A by Microsoft European Government, Norway Commission Act, Law, Order of 2007. Now,
What are the consequences if you don't update the license, sir? Consequence number 1, if you don't update the license, we will go into blacklisted your name under this IP address of your computer. So you will not allow a permit to run this computer, and in future, you will not allow to buy a new computer which is belong from Microsoft under your name under this IP address. Number 2, right now this computer locked with a password. If you don't update the license, we will go into permanently block this computer. No local technician will be able to unblock this computer, and we will go into permanent cancel the license. Number 3, computer is not the main thing, sir. If you don't want to update the license, so we can only block the computer. Not at all. We will going to block all the activities you are running on your computer, like your Gmail, Hotmail, Outlook, Facebook, internet banking, online shopping, Skype. That will be permanently blocked and strictly restricted by the Microsoft.
Okay, how can
Number
I fix
4.
this then?
I will tell you how you can go to fix that. You have to update the license. And in order to update the license, you have to pay a one-time nominal payment to Microsoft. You tell me, what is the reason you are using this computer in your home, for private or business?
It's private.
Now, for the private reason, we have a 2 plan for the license. Okay?
Okay.
And please, without the permission of Microsoft, don't touch your computer because this comes locked with a password. Okay? First one for the 8-year Microsoft license. If you don't mind, can I know that how old are you? What's your age?
I am 26.
That's the reason you're sounding like a young man. That's the reason. Okay. Now, sir, 8-year license is going to valid for your computer for 8 years. Within 8 years, you will be allowed a permit to use 5 computer, and all the 5 computer is under the care and supervision of Microsoft. But again, after the 8 year, when the license has got expired, you have to pay to Microsoft and update the license. But second license for the lifetime. Lifetime means this is not the computer lifetime license. This is your lifetime license as long as you're going to live on this earth.
Okay.
You tell me that your age is 26. Okay. Your age is 26. Suppose in future you are going to live more 74 years to cross the century. So this is your lifetime license. In your lifetime license, you will be allowed a permit to use 10 computers. So the price of the 8-year license is $299 Norwegian kroner. But if you want to go for the lifetime, it will cost you one-time nominal payment $399 Norwegian kroner.
Yeah,
So
okay.
you tell me that you want to go to activate for 8 years, or you want to go for the lifetime?
So lifetime is for my entire life. So that will be
Entire
cheaper.
life for the.
Yeah, that will be cheaper then in the long run.
Okay. So you want to go for a lifetime. So what
Yeah,
I'm going to
yeah.
do that I will going to give you a registration form to you. You have to please fill up the form and you have to update the license. Now, according to the Norway Business Bureau and Data Protection Act, we don't take the payment by in cash or check. We can only take the payment by 2 methods. The first one is Visa verification license form, and second is master verification license form. So by which way you want to update the license of your computer? By Visa card verification license form or by MasterCard verification license
We
form?
can do with Visa.
Okay. So you please handy with a paper or pen with you. Okay.
Yeah, I have it.
Handy with a fresh piece of paper or pen with you. And please, without the permission of Microsoft, don't touch your mouse or keyboard.
Yeah.
Right? Now, on a piece of paper, you please write down. On a piece of paper, you please write down the date of today. Write down date of today. Write down date of today.
Yeah.
Write down date of today. And after written date of today, after written your date of today, you write down my name. My name is Albert Rogers. Albert
Can you spell it?
Rogers. A like America. You write down my name.
Yeah.
A like America. L like London.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, A like America, L like London.
Yes.
Then B for Belgium.
B for Belgium.
E for England.
E for England.
R for Romeo.
R for Romeo.
And T like telephone.
T like telephone.
And my family name is Rogers. Like R for Romeo.
R for Romeo.
O for Oscar.
Yeah.
D for Denmark. D for Denmark. Then
Yeah.
G for Google.
G for Google.
E for England.
E for England.
R for Romeo.
R for Romeo.
And S like Sweden.
And S like Sweden. Yeah.
Yes. Now you tell me what have you written. Now just below that you write down Just below that, you write down the product ID of the computer. Write down the product ID of the computer. I will tell you. The product ID of the computer is your number 4.
Number 4.
Number 4. E for England.
E for England.
Number 2.
Number 2.
Number 2.
Yep.
Number 7.
7.
Number 4.
Number 4.
Number 2 again.
Number 2.
0.
0.
Number 7.
Number 7.
Number 4.
Number 4.
Number 2.
Number 2.
0.
0.
Number 4.
Number
Now look
4.
on your computer screen. Now look on your computer screen.
Yep.
Now you see, register for Microsoft license agreement for lifetime in Norway, right? Now you are a male. You are a male, and you are belong from Norway, Norwegian,
Yep.
right?
Yep.
Now, sir, I will give you permission to you. You please can touch your mouse or keyboard and start to fill up the form. You start to fill up the form. Hold on.
Okay.
Write down. Wait for a moment. Wait for a moment. Something is coming. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Now.
Yep.
Now you fill up. और नंबर कहाँ है नंबर इसका
Yeah. Street number. Let's see.
Now you write down your street address and house number. Yeah.
Yep.
You don't have to write here. Here write. Here you write. First. Here you write first of all street address. Wait.
Yep.
Here you write street address. First you write street address. Street address. Now you write here your city.
Yeah. City.
City. Now you write your postal code. Now wait. Now hold on. I have your phone number. Now wait for a moment. This is not your phone number. Hold on. Wait. Hold on. This is your phone number.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, I believe that your place of birth is Norway. You're born at Norway.
Yep.
So tell me your happy birthday. Tell me your happy birthday. Your date of birth.
It is this
Yeah.
this yeah.
That's right. Now you check everything. Everything is right.
Yeah, looks okay.
Everything is almost right.
Yeah.
Now you handy with a paper and pen with you. Okay.
Yeah. I have it.
Now on your piece of paper. Now on your piece of paper you write down. On your piece of paper you write down your date of today. Okay.
Yeah, today.
Then you write down your product ID of the computer. Write down
Yeah.
the product ID of the computer. The
Mhm.
product ID of the computer, write down. Now you write down your serial ID of the computer. The serial ID of the computer is number 4,
Yeah.
number 2,
Yeah.
0,
Yeah.
number 7,
Yeah.
E for England,
Yeah.
number 2,
Yeah.
number 4,
Yeah.
0,
Yeah.
number 2,
Yep.
number 1.
Yep.
Now you fill up this one form. Look on your computer and you
Yep.
fill up your form here.
Okay.
Now,
So
hold
this
for a
is
moment.
the visa number.
Yeah, you can touch and you fill up the form. What are you writing, sir? Look. You have to write your card number.
No, I think it's just showing like sensor marks. It doesn't want to display it on the screen.
Pardon? You have to write here your card number.
Yeah.
नौटंकी कर रहा है. Sir, hello.
Hello? Yeah.
Sir, you have to write down here your card number. बुढ़वा बना रहा था उसको था देर से. बुढ़वा बना रहा था उसको. You have to write down your card number. You look on the front of the card. Look on the front of the card. There is a 16-digit number. You have to write down here. Write down your 16-digit number.
I'm writing the number.
Yeah, so you write down. Write down the number. Don't write. Write down the number.
Yeah.
तो भाई ले रहा था ना, तो भाई को बैल बना रहा था, इसलिए बोला फॉर्मेट करके रखे हुए हैं. Sir, you need to write down. Oh, pardon?
What are you saying?
Okay, you write select your expiration date. Select your expiration date when your card is finished.
Yeah. And let's see, 18.
Now you click on save my changes. Click on that save my changes.
Yep.
Click on save my changes. Sir, are you joking with me or are you kidding with me? Tell me that.
You know,
Are you joking with me
I'm not
or are you kidding with
you,
me?
But you know, scamming people is illegal. You know that, right?
Scamming people is illegal. That's right. So no
Yeah.
problem. No problem. What we are going to do that, we will going to permanently block and destroy the computer. So you understand that. Then you
No.
understand that running a computer without the license, that is illegal offense to you.
Yeah, you know.
So you-
you know what you're doing now is also illegal. This is called hacking.
Okay. Okay. Okay, no problem. So you forget about that. Okay. Bye.
Yeah. Bye.